In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix your YouTube video upload that is stuck in processing will begin shortly. Re-uploading the same video did not fix the issue for me. Let's start. Inside your channel content, click Send Feedback. In the click to add a screenshot, just click OK, got it. Next, click Capture Screenshot. In the allowstudio.youtube.com to see this tab, click Allow. You will see that a screenshot of your channel content is automatically added inside attached screenshot. Next, in the Describe Your Feedback, just write your problem regarding your channel. I wrote, "Hi YouTube team. My upload is stuck in processing will begin shortly for a couple of hours already. Can you help me fix this? Thanks." When done, you can also check that we may email you for information or updates. Then, click Send. In the report sent, just click Close. After waiting for 3 to 4 hours, my YouTube video is already uploaded and already got some views. YouTube fixed the problem automatically for me. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you have question, just leave a comment below. Thank you.